Are you searching for the perfect tennis racket to take your game to the next level? Whether you're crushing forehands, spinning drop shots, or defending the baseline like a pro? From explosive power to razor-sharp control, today's rackets offer more than ever before. But with so many choices out there, which one actually fits your style and helps you win more points? In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 tennis rackets that are dominating courts in 2025. Trusted by players, loved by pros, and designed for performance. Let's serve it up. Number 5. Wilson Clash 100. In a sport where overuse injuries like tennis elbow are becoming more common, the Wilson Clash 100 emerges as a game changer, literally. Designed with comfort at its core, this racket bridges a long-standing gap between arm-friendly design and responsive performance. Traditionally, players had to make a tough choice. Go with a stiff racket that delivers power but punishes the arm, or pick a softer frame that's gentle but underwhelming. The Clash 100 changes that narrative. It offers a rare balance, soft enough to absorb shock and vibration, yet lively enough to keep your shots sharp and effective. Its unique construction helps reduce the jarring impact of every swing, giving players more confidence to stay aggressive while staying injury-free. That means you can rally longer, swing freely, and trust your frame without fear of discomfort holding you back. Of course, with great flexibility comes a bit of trade-off. The Clash may not be the most rock-solid frame when facing blistering serves or heavy returns, but for most beginner to intermediate players, that level of play isn't a daily concern. Who is this racket really for? It's ideal for rising players, whether you're just getting serious about your game or working to refine your form. Who want to protect their arm without giving up on power or spin? Bottom line, the Wilson Clash 100 isn't just about playing better, it's about playing smarter, longer, and without holding back. Number 4. Babolat Pure Drive. For over 3 decades, the Babolat Pure Drive has been a powerhouse on courts worldwide, setting the gold standard for explosive performance. Launched 31 years ago as Babolat's very first racket, it was built to match the modern game's fast pace and aggressive baseline play. And to this day, it's still one of the most feared frames when it comes to raw power. So what makes the Pure Drive such a legend? It's not just about muscle, it's about how effortlessly it helps you tap into your full potential. With a balanced head size and dynamic frame construction, every swing feels energized. Whether you're serving for an ace or driving a ground stroke deep into the court, this racket brings a burst of power that makes attacking tennis feel natural. But the real magic lies in how accessible that power is. You don't have to be a pro to feel the impact. From committed beginners to seasoned competitors, players of all skill levels benefit from the Pure Drive's ability to boost their game. No overthinking, just results. Of course, with great power comes a few compromises. Control and touch shots may require a bit more finesse, and some players with sensitive arms might prefer a softer frame. But for those who crave bold, baseline-dominating tennis, these are minor trade-offs in exchange for game-changing speed and spin. If your style leans toward aggressive play and you want a racket that keeps up with your ambition, the Babolat Pure Drive might just be your perfect match. Number 3. Babolat Pure Aero. When Babolat set out to build a racket that could match the relentless intensity and spin-heavy style of Rafael Nadal, the result was nothing short of legendary: the Pure Aero. Inspired by Rafa's explosive baseline dominance, this racket has become a symbol of modern aggressive tennis. What sets the Pure Aero apart is its aerodynamic frame. It's crafted to cut through the air effortlessly, allowing for lightning-fast swings and maximum racket head speed, key ingredients for generating spin. And Babolat didn't stop there. Its open string pattern and smart grommet design let the strings move and snap back with energy, turning every forehand into a whirling shot that drops deep and kicks high. While it shares some DNA with the Pure Drive, the Pure Aero trades a bit of raw power for more control, better feel, and of course, unmatched spin. It's especially deadly from the baseline, where it rewards heavy topspin ground strokes. And on serve, that added spin translates beautifully to slicing angles and nasty kick serves that keep your opponent guessing. But no racket is perfect. Its stiff frame, while helpful for performance, can sometimes be a bit tough on the arm, especially for players who go all in with polyester strings to boost spin potential. And for those who like to play soft touch shots at the net, the feel might not be as refined as some more flexible frames. That said, for intermediate to advanced players who thrive on dictating play from the back of the court, the Pure Aero is a dream come true. It rewards intensity, control, and movement, and for anyone building a game around relentless pressure and spin, this racket delivers in spades. Number 2. Yonex Percept 97D. In a world where power and spin dominate the tennis scene, the Yonex Percept 97D is a refreshing throwback to what tennis purists love most: precision, feel, and complete control. Designed with a tighter 18 by 20 string pattern and a sleek 97 square inch head, the Percept 97D is all about precision ball striking. It's not trying to overwhelm your opponent with raw power. Instead, it empowers you to take full command of every shot through clean technique and strategic placement. What really sets this frame apart is its incredible stability and balance. The added weight gives it a satisfying heft, letting you handle heavy hitters without flinching. Whether you're carving out a sharp backhand slice or transitioning to the net for a crisp volley, the 97D gives you that unmistakable sense of connection. Like the racket is an extension of your arm. But make no mistake, this racket demands skill. It's not built for players chasing effortless power or maximum topspin. Instead, it caters to those who rely on timing, placement, and a deep understanding of the game. If you're someone who flattens out shots, prefers precision over spin, and thrives on constructing points intelligently, this frame will feel like home. The Percept 97D is especially ideal for strong intermediate and advanced players who enjoy all-court tennis and aren't afraid to work a little harder for that perfect shot. It doesn't spoon-feed you winners, but for those who rise to its challenge, it offers a level of control and confidence few rackets can match. Number 1. Head Gravity Pro. If you're a serious player who thrives on precision and demands unwavering stability under pressure, the Head Gravity Pro might just be your ultimate match. This racket isn't about flash or gimmicks. It's built for players who want complete control and confidence in every exchange. From the baseline to the net, the Gravity Pro is a rock-solid performer. Weighing in at 11.7 ounces, it's not the lightest frame on the court, but that extra weight is precisely what gives it its undeniable edge. It absorbs pace like a sponge and reflects it back with laser-like accuracy. What really sets the Gravity Pro apart is its exceptional frame construction. With a thin, flexible 20mm beam and a low stiffness rating, it offers a buttery feel that's rare in modern rackets. Graphene, a carbon-based material known for its strength and lightness, has been strategically integrated into the frame, adding durability and enhancing that rock-solid stability. No, it's not the spin king of the racket world, but that's by design. Its 18 by 20 string pattern delivers flatter, more penetrating shots that land deep with authority. It's a dream at the net, too, offering a large sweet spot and rock-like steadiness, even when the pace is fierce. Still, there are trade-offs. The Gravity Pro doesn't hand out free power. You have to earn it with clean technique and confident swings. And its heavier frame may challenge players who aren't accustomed to that kind of weight. However, thanks to its headlight balance, it remains maneuverable enough for experienced players to handle without fatigue. The Head Gravity Pro is made for strong intermediate to advanced players who want a racket that stays composed no matter how chaotic the rally gets. If you've got the strength, the timing, and the mindset to command the court, this racket will rise to meet you. So, which racket caught your eye? Drop your favorite racket in the comments and let us know what you're swinging with this season. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more gear breakdowns, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep your grip tight and your shots clean. See you on the court.